Hello to all. Actually, organic chemistry contains millions of organic compounds. Here, IUPAC nomenclature makes an useful content in identifying the compounds. Okay, let us see. So, IUPAC means I for International, U for Union, of P for Pure, and Applied Chemistry. That is, International Union of Pure and Applied Chemistry is known as IUPAC. So, to attempt the IUPAC nomenclature to the compounds, we must follow some rules. Here, IUPAC nomenclature contains mainly two parts initially. Those are prefix and suffix. So these are considered as, like most of the cases, it is the head part and it is the tail part of the compound, that is starting and ending parts of the compounds. So here prefix means if we take the simple hydrocarbons, prefix indicates the number of carbon atoms. In other compounds, sometimes prefix indicates the substituents. Okay, this is about prefix. Suffix, that is end part of the compound. In case of simple hydrocarbons, we know that simple hydrocarbons based on the bonding, alkanes means single bonded compounds, alkenes means double bonded compounds, alkynes means triple bonded compounds. If in case the given hydrocarbon is the single bonded, that is alkane, then it ends with the suffix "-ane". If it is alkane, it ends with the suffix "-ene". If it is alkyne, it ends with the suffix "-ine". In other hydrocarbons, sometimes suffix indicates the functional groups. So let us deeply explain about prefix and suffix. So let us see about prefix. We already know that in simple hydrocarbons, prefix indicates the number of carbon atoms. So let us know about 10 up to 10 carbon atoms. So if the given hydrocarbon contains only one carbon atom, then the naming starts with meth. Sometimes it is a prefix also known as, in this case, root word. That means if the hydrocarbon contains one carbon atom, its root word is meth. If it is two carbons, that is eth. If three carbons, prop. If four carbons, but. If five, that is pent. If it contains six carbons, that starts with hex. If it has seven carbons, it starts with hept. If it is 8, it starts with oct. If it is 9, it starts with non. If it is 10, it starts with dec. These are the most important root words, that is the naming of number of carbon atoms as prefix, that is starting of the hydrocarbons. Let us see about suffix. So we know that in case of normal hydrocarbons, ane, ene, ine are common. But in case of functional groups, the suffix names are special as related to the functional groups. Here there are some functional groups here. First one is carboxylic acid. So carboxylic acid is indicated as COOH group. Then in this case, suffix, that is ending part, is oic acid. If the compound contains alcohol group, that is OH group, it ends with the suffix as -ol. If the functional group is aldehyde, that is CHO, then it ends with the suffix -al. If the compound contains the functional group ketone, that is C double bond O, it ends with the suffix -one. If the compound contains the functional group amine, that is NH2, it is also ends with the suffix, as usual, amine. If the compound contains the functional group amide, that is CONH2, then it also ends with the suffix as amide. These are the basic rules for naming the organic compounds by using IUPAC nomenclature. Thank you.